Hello, welcome back. So I'm looking at the bottom, it looks beautiful. And as you may have guessed, I have decided I want to open it up, but I went in to get a screwdriver and it's too big. Another thing that's different, I don't remember the pet being like this, but you know, this is an early example. It has 2 screws on each side, not just one. I'm sure eventually they figured that they could save half of a cent by putting in just 1 screw. And the tab that holds the top on does look bigger. So I gotta go in, get another screwdriver, and see about very delicately removing these screws, preserving these screws. They are Phillips. They're just not, they're not as big as what I thought they were. But maybe in the excitement, I just grabbed a screwdriver that I could find. But there's no way. And I want the screwdriver to fit. I don't want to strip the heads. I don't want to cause damage. Do no harm, do no harm, do no harm. So stay tuned. We will unscrew it. Thank you very much for coming. Bye for now.